These vegetables are so packed with nutrients that adding them to your diet could seriously boost your health overnight. Did you know that the right vegetables can completely transform your health? Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, vegetables are the foundation of a balanced diet. They boost immunity, improve digestion, and even help prevent chronic diseases. But with so many options available, which ones are truly the best for your health? Today, we'll reveal the top 10 healthiest vegetables you must eat for maximum nutrition and well-being. 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables, loaded with iron, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Spinach supports heart health by improving circulation and lowering blood pressure, thanks to its high nitrate content. It also plays a vital role in bone health due to its rich supply of vitamin K, which is essential for calcium absorption. Moreover, its folate content is particularly beneficial for pregnant women, as it helps prevent neural tube defects in newborns. With its low-calorie profile and high fiber content, spinach is an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Whether eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in soups and stews, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that should be a staple in your meals. 2. Kale. Kale is often called a superfood due to its exceptional nutritional profile. It is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, beta-carotene, and powerful antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. One of kale's biggest benefits is its role in detoxification. It supports liver function by helping to eliminate toxins from the body. It is also known for its potential to lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health, making it an excellent food for cardiovascular well-being. With a good amount of fiber, kale also aids digestion and promotes gut health. Whether you add it to salads, bake it into crispy chips, or blend it into smoothies, kale is a vegetable you should eat regularly for optimal health. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable packed with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, a powerful compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that sulforaphane can help protect against certain types of cancer by neutralizing harmful toxins and reducing inflammation. Broccoli is also great for digestive health, as its high fiber content supports gut bacteria and promotes regular bowel movements. Additionally, it contributes to brain health by protecting neurons from oxidative damage. Its vitamin K content plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Eating broccoli regularly may also support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that delivers outstanding health benefits. 4. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. This essential vitamin is crucial for maintaining good vision, skin health, and a strong immune system. Carrots are particularly beneficial for eye health, as they help prevent night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Their high antioxidant content also helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Carrots are great for digestive health due to their high fiber content, which promotes regular bowel movements and supports gut bacteria. Additionally, they have anti-inflammatory properties that help combat various health conditions. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or juiced, carrots are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. 5. Garlic. Garlic is widely recognized for its powerful medicinal properties, mainly due to its high content of allicin, a compound with antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. It is known to help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve heart health by preventing plaque buildup in arteries. Garlic is also an excellent immune booster, helping the body fight off infections, colds, and flu. It has been shown to support brain health by reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Moreover, garlic has anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body of toxins. Whether consumed raw, roasted, or added to dishes for flavor, garlic is a must-have vegetable for overall well-being. 6. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are small but incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamin K, fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. They help reduce inflammation, support gut health, and promote heart function by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Due to their high fiber content, Brussels sprouts aid in digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for diabetics. They are also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and enhances skin health. Their antioxidant properties protect the body from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Whether roasted, steamed, or sautéed, Brussels sprouts are a flavorful and nutritious addition to any meal. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, making them highly beneficial for gut health, eye health, and immune support. They contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage and improve skin health. Their high fiber content promotes digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Additionally, sweet potatoes support heart health by regulating blood pressure due to their potassium content. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes are a delicious way to enhance your nutrient intake. 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and carotenoids, which promote skin health, boost immunity, and improve digestion. They are particularly beneficial for eye health due to their high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against age-related vision loss. The antioxidants in bell peppers help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Their high fiber content supports gut health, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, each offering unique health benefits, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart protective and anti-cancer properties. Lycopene helps reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol and protecting blood vessels. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and promotes skin health. Their high water content keeps the body hydrated and supports digestion. Regular consumption of tomatoes may help prevent prostate cancer and other inflammatory conditions. Whether eaten raw in salads, cooked in sauces, or blended into soups, tomatoes offer numerous health benefits. 10. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutrient-dense vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin C, choline, and antioxidants. It supports brain function, aids in digestion, and promotes weight loss due to its low-calorie and high-fiber content. Choline, an essential nutrient found in cauliflower, plays a vital role in memory and learning, making it particularly beneficial for cognitive health. Cauliflower also contains compounds that support detoxification and reduce inflammation. Whether eaten raw, roasted, or blended into a creamy soup, cauliflower is a highly versatile vegetable that should be part of your diet. Incorporate these vegetables into your daily meals for a healthier, more vibrant life. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.